Let's continue from where we stopped in the last lesson, noun as a direct object. Now we are moving to nouns in direct object. The functions of nouns under this topic are made possible by some verbs such as tell, give, buy, ask, show, send, bring, etc. The reason is that they often have indirect objects as well as direct objects. The indirect object shows us how the other person or persons or things is indirectly affected by the action or verb. Examples include, Faith gave Mike an assignment. An assignment is the direct object and Mike is the indirect object. I sent John a parcel. Parcel is the direct object and John is the indirect object. Let's talk about the fourth one, which is nouns as subject complements. Noun becomes a subject complement where it refers to the same person or thing as the subject of the sentence, joined to the subject by a verb such as be, become, seem, etc. In this regard, the noun completes our information in respect of the subject. Examples include, Gabriel and Mike are my children. My children is the subject of the complement. My elder brother became a successful accountant. Accountant is the subject complement. The men were highway robbers. Highway robbers is the subject complement. Wow, this is really interesting. I have to go now, sir. We will discuss the remaining 3 in our next lesson. Okay, no problem. Do not forget to go over it again. Okay, sir.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.